This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is ready, unlocked, charged, and online. Once done, open Settings and use the search box to type apps so you land straight in App Info. Make sure to choose See All Apps. This lists system and user apps, which is important because removal steps differ. You're doing this to avoid uninstalling the wrong item, so scan the list quickly and tap the exact app name you intend to remove. Now tap the app to open its details and check storage and permissions. That explains why it may need extra steps. If the uninstall button appears, tap it and confirm. This removes the app and its user data. If uninstall is grayed out, the app is pre-installed. Instead, choose Disable or Clear Updates, which prevents it from running and reclaims space. Make sure to tap any prompts to clear app data if you want a free storage immediately. Finish by restarting your device to clear caches and ensure the removal completed properly. If an app won't uninstall, boot into safe mode and try again. That prevents third-party blockers from running. For persistent system apps, you can use ADB on a computer to remove or disable them, but proceed carefully. You might break system features. If you still see icons or permissions, go to Settings, reset app preferences, and make sure to verify storage reclaimed in Storage Settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.